guys, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I am Confidence, a mommy vlogger based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time seeing my pretty face, you are highly welcome. Please relax and enjoy this video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. May God bless each and every one of you wherever you're watching me from. Amen. So in today's video, I am here to answer all your questions. Like, you guys asked me this question in my previous video that I made titled how to talk to your spirit guide, and you guys were like asking me how to settle them, what you should do to settle them. And I am here to show you what you are going to do to settle your spirit guide. But please, before you settle your spirit guide is not your spiritual husband. Your spirit guide is not that monitoring spirit that is following you. In that video I made, I told you what your spirit guide is. I told you what your chi is. Your chi is that God that spirit that is watching over you, following you everywhere you are going, following you, knowing your thoughts even before you say it out. Your spirit guide read everything about you, read your mindset, read your thoughts, everything about you. Your spirit guide is not your spiritual husband. Is not your spiritual wife. Because I know a lot of you might be complicating the issue, thinking that your spirit guide is your spiritual husband. No, spiritual husband is different. Spiritual husband, for you to settle your your husband, you must go deep about it. And what I mean by going deep is by doing a work, spiritual work to it. If not, it will go and it will still come back. And that's why a lot of you left all those people that have worked for you complaining that their work did not work. They just prevent it for the meantime. Before a month or 2 months, that problem will still come back again. And it's because you refuse to pay them money for them to treat it, and it will go permanently. So don't confuse your spirit guide to your spiritual guide, to your spiritual husband or your spiritual wife. It is different. Your spiritual guide, your spirit guide is what I'm going to tell you how you are going to do to yourself to, please them, settle them, for them to allow you to face your life, for them to allow you to enjoy life. Okay? You can do it, and anybody can do it. Here is water. Here is kola nut. This kola nut, this is what you are going to do to settle your spirit guide. Here is alligator pepper. If you have red oil, you make use of red oil. You make use of red oil and you drop kola. Use alligator pepper and red oil. But if you don't have red oil, use these 3 things. If you have all of them, if you have water, kola nut, and alligator pepper with red oil, use all of them. It works. Because when you give somebody food, you will give somebody food where there is oil. You will not give me only white rice to eat. You will give me white rice that you added stew on it, unless it is not white rice. And if you give me jollof rice, there must be red oil, there must be something oil on it. So that's why you are going to make use of oil. Okay? So what you are going to be doing early in the morning, under the sunrise in the morning, you stand up. You can use any type of kola nut. I know a lot of you are, like I say, in confidence, you are speaking Igbo in that language. I translated it, everything in English. I speak Igbo, I translate it in English, because I know a lot of you watching me will not understand what Igbo means. So this one is red kola. Everything here is red kola. So I'm going to make use of 1 kola to tell you what I want to do. You can use any kola that have a lot of pieces in it. It doesn't matter whether it has 3 pieces or 4 pieces. Use as many as you want, but it's just only 1 kola. So as you bring this kola, you bring 7 pieces of alligator pepper. If you bring these 7 pieces of alligator pepper, you bring kola. You put it on your right hand. You pray to the sun, talk to the sun. You are giving them their food. you are paying them off. They should allow you to experience life. They should allow you to enjoy life. If you know your there's something they call cholo wagi, that is your reincarnated god. Yes, if I'm not mistaken. So you call the person name. Me, I don't want to share with you, like, okay, fine. For example, me now, I will like tell you, okay, I am my grandmother's, I reincarnated my grandmother, like that is my father's mother. Yes. So I now call her name. You use her name to pray. They should allow you. It's mostly sweet if I am telling you this thing in Igbo, so for you to understand where I'm going. But how to translate it in English is now a problem. English is not my language, please pardon me. Okay, so you call the lady's name or you call the man's name. They should bless you. They should pave way for you. They should open a way of success for you. Everything you lay your hand is not working. Nothing is moving in your life anymore. You are finding it difficult to eat. You and your family, everything has blocked. Nobody is moving forward. Nobody is going where. All you experience is backwardness, which is very, very bad. That you are sick and tired of this stagnation in your life. That they should remove every spirit of stagnation, every spirit of backwardness, every spirit of not moving forward, every spirit of promise and fail in your life. Your mate has married, you are not married, promise and fail. Okay, we come today and we run away. Okay, for we do the same thing. That you are sick and tired. They should pray. They should just bless you. They should just leave you alone, for crying out loud. You are not ready to serve them. You are not ready to worship them. They should just leave you alone for now. That when you are ready, you can as well, whenever you get this thing or whenever you have all these things that I just show you, that you always give them food. That you will not make them hungry. You will always give them food. This thing is not cost, as you see. This kola nut is only kola nut that I will tell you that kola is cost. Water is everywhere. You can use water. Red oil is everywhere. You can order your red oil wherever you are. Then they will send it to you. If you want to order from confidence, there is no problem. If you want to order from your customers wherever they are, there is no problem. Make sure you use red oil, because you will not give somebody food without, you will not give somebody food where there is no oil on that food. So that's why you must make use of red oil. So you always pray. Make your intentions known to them. Make your intentions known. If you can cry, cry. If you don't want to cry, you can as well continue praying. But you must make sure that you make your intention known to them. You must not kill cow before you settle your chi. You must not kill ram before you settle your chi. Your chi doesn't eat a lot of things. The only time you are going to spend money to settle them is your spiritual husband, those monitoring spirit that is following you. Yes, that is when you are going to settle them, because if you don't settle them, they will still come back. And as you are making this prayer, make sure that you don't have any grudges with anybody. Make sure that your heart is clean. Make sure that you are always happy for others whenever they are succeeding. You continue praying, making your intention known to God. And after, when you are done praying, you break the kola. You break this kola this way. Then inside this kola now, there is something like the head here. You break the head, you break it in two like this. Keep this small one on the ground. You keep this, I don't know, I want you to be seeing what I'm doing. You keep this small one on the ground this way. You put it this way. You put it this way. I want you to be seeing what I'm doing. When you put it on the ground, then the remaining one that is on your hand, you put it inside your mouth and chew it. As you are chewing it, you are praying, you open that water. You first of all, the 7 pieces of alligator pepper that you put, let me keep it well so that you will concentrate on what I'm saying. The 7 pieces of alligator pepper that you are holding, you put it inside your mouth and chew it and swallow it. The 7 pieces of alligator pepper. Then this one that you keep on the ground, this small one that you keep on the ground, you bring red oil and pour on it. As you are pouring on it, you are praying. It's not a big red oil it's just small red oil that you are going to use for the prayer. Okay? As you are pouring that red oil, you are praying. As you are pouring, you are giving them food. you are settling them. Anything that concerns you, you are separating yourself from them. You don't want them. That is if you don't want them, but they are the one guiding you. Okay, so you are separating yourself from them. You are disassociating yourself from them. You are not ready to serve them. You don't want to know everything about them. All you are seeking for from them is for them to leave you alone, so that you will be useful to yourself, to your life. After that, you keep the plate, you open water like this, you start pouring this water small small. As you are pouring, you are drinking. As you are pouring, you are drinking. You pour small, you drink. You pour small, you drink till you finish any water that you are making use of. As you are pouring small, you are drinking. As you are pouring small, the more you are giving them, you are drinking. The more you are giving them, you are eating as well. They cannot eat alone. You are disassociating yourself from them, so therefore you must eat what they eat. Anything you are giving them, you must take it as well. And believe me, if you do this thing finish, you must surely come and give me your testimony. This is not bragging. It's very, very important you do this, and I'm sure you will come back with your testimony, and I will always welcome you. This is just a simple remedy for you to disassociate yourself from any spirit guide that you don't want. All this your spirit guide, but before you make use of it, remember that spirit guide is not your spiritual husband. Before you start saying die by fire in Jesus' name and all that, it will still not go if you are doing it for your spiritual husband, because your spiritual husband need your hand for it to leave you. If not, you will still come back and tell me confidence that it didn't work, and I will block you. Yes, because a lot of you like to stress me. Yes, you will spend 100 hours in call, and after everything you will went and do what pleases you, and still come back and tell me confidence this one did. I will block you. Seriously. So follow my instructions so that I will not block you. Yes, and I don't really like blocking, but you guys can disturb for Africa, and so be it. May God favor us. Okay, please do this as I just instructed you, and you will really come back and give me your testimony. Yes, you will come back and give me your testimony. Yeah. And if this video is helpful for you, please give this video a thumbs up, share, click the share button. It's free. Share to your friends. Okay, and I will see you in my next video. But for now, remain blessed. I love you. Bye bye.